Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 26th and we've had a little project going on here for a few weeks, about 3. And let's take a look at what's happening. We've had the old incubator here running and we've been incubating some eggs. It's been exactly 21 days. And this morning, a little early, ahead of schedule, we've had 3 little babies decide to hatch out. In fact, we have more little babies over here deciding to hatch out. There's another one, and we have a few others that's popping their way. So we'll see how good this is. These eggs come from a friend of ours from the farmer's market. And he did have a rooster in there with some of his egg-laying chickens, a couple of roosters in there. And was wondering if they would have a good success rate of being fertile. There's quite a few chickens. And apparently some of them are. But anyway, let's give them a little bit longer and see how they do. Well, it's the 22nd day, and we've got a few more in there. We've got a few back here that's trying to hatch. And we have about a half a dozen right here that have already hatched out. Actually 7. So we've got 10 that's all the way hatched. A couple more that's working their way out to eggs. So it looks like we're doing pretty good. These little ones here are nice and active now that got out here and turned the light on. They're up and going around and meeting their new friends that just got put in this morning. Their siblings. So anyway, you know, it's always fun on the farm when you start having new life present itself. And it's no different. You know, we want chickens, and hopefully we're going to have some hens here. That's what we're looking for. You know, we need at least 1 rooster, but we're mainly looking for about 10 to 12 hens out of this batch. So we're still waiting. We'll see how many come out. And by the miracles of video, it's April 27th, so they're about a month old now. And they're just happy as can be. And it looks like I better start figuring out which one of these are roosters and which ones are hens, so I can do a little separation and keep me whatever hens and 1 rooster, and we'll get the other roosters to their home. But there's where we are. There's our new flock. So if you want to keep following this, well, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up, and happy gardening.